Hey everyone! If your child is thorough with any new concept and you want that he should get revised with the concept which he has learned 10 or 15 days back, so these type of worksheets are great for any type of revision. These type of worksheets can be made very quickly, very easy, and these are DIY worksheets and kids really enjoy doing these type of worksheets, and in very less time they get revised with the concept which they have learnt earlier. So in this video I'm going to show you this worksheet of 10 questions which is based on the concept odd even numbers. So let's start the video. These worksheets are a quick way to revise any concept, and kids really love doing these type of worksheets. They enjoy it and they don't get even bored. So the question number 1 is number 15 can be paired, yes or no? So child has to think about this, whether 15 can be paired or not. 15 cannot be paired, so he will take on no. 15 is an even number or odd number. 15 cannot be paired, so it is an odd number. Question number 2 is numbers 26, 142, 242, 48, 300 are numbers. So these numbers are odd numbers or even numbers. That child has to identify. These are even numbers. So he will write here even numbers. Question number 3 is how many even numbers are there between 71 and 82. So child has to count the numbers, count even numbers which comes between 71 and 82. So child will start counting after 71, 72, then 74, then 76, then 78, then 80. So these are the even numbers. So these are 5 numbers between 71 and 82. So he will write 5 here. Which is the largest 2-digit even number with an 8? So child has to make a 2-digit number which is the largest also and even number also, and it should have 8 also. So this answer will be 98. 98 will be the largest even number and it has 8 also. Form a 3-digit even number using 4, 6, 2, 3. So child can make any number here. There will be different numbers, 3-digit even numbers, because there are 4 digits given. So any 3-digit even number he can make. So suppose I will make here 642. Then question number 6 is how many odd numbers are there between 402 and 415. So child has to count the numbers, the odd numbers which comes between 402 and 415. So it will be, next odd number will be 403, then 405, then 407, 409, 411, 413. So there will be 6 odd numbers between these two numbers. Question number 7 is which is the largest 3-digit odd number that can be formed using 742. So he has to make largest 3-digit number. I think it will be 427, because 7 should be at the ones place to be so that the number will be odd number. Question number 8 is which is the smallest 2-digit odd number with the number 6. So smallest 2-digit number, and that should be odd number with the number 6. So it will be 69. Question number 9 is odd numbers have below numbers at their ones place. The child should be aware of this thing, that odd numbers should have number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 at their ones place. So this is the rule he should be aware of. Question number 10 is circle odd one out. So here are the numbers, whether all are odd numbers or even numbers, he has to pick odd one out. So I think all are even numbers and 9 is the odd number, so it is the odd one out. So these type of worksheets are very quick and very easy to make, DIY worksheets, and children really enjoy doing these worksheets. So if you want your child to get revised to any new concept, or at regular intervals. So you should try these type of worksheets, and they are very good for revising the new concept. So that's all in today's video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Bye.